welcome to a new episode of the Life of Junjun. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for watching the last videos. It means a lot. So in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most hottest topics of 2023.
AI, generative AI, AI as AI.
Simply put, an AI is something that mimics a human mind. These functions include perceiving, reasoning, learning, interacting with the environment, problem solving, and even creative exercising. There have been several booms in the last decades, such as the dot-com boom, fairly recently the crypto boom. Everyone wanted to be part of crypto and create some sort of blockchain. But what the AI has, or what the AI boom is for 2023, is that the practical usage for this technology. In my opinion, such as crypto, everyone did not have to implement the blockchain into their systems. But something like an AI system is going to be a crucial part of product offering for every tech company that's out there. When the iPhone was released in 2007, it wasn't the first phone that was released. It was the fact that it made everything so accessible to everyday users. And that's what I think the evolution of modern day AI is going to do. The ease of availability of this technology to everyday folks, and basically it's going to improve their lives. AI has existed for many years. In fact, the first AI model was created in 1950, which basically took an input. Based on the data that was trained, it basically just predicted what the output would be. But modern AI is making it more readily accessible to everyday folks, and that's, in my opinion, what makes it revolutionary. Today, AI has been all around us. It's, say it for example, Siri on your iPhone, or Google Home, or Alexa. They're all forms of AI. They take in an input based on, they process the input, and based on the data that they have, and they perform a particular action. The only difference that has happened is how better they've gotten over time, and we've reached a point where it's actually become really powerful. So the reason for this sudden boom in AI is in sometime in November of 2022, OpenAI released its AI model called GPT-4, and one of the examples for it was ChatGPT. You might have heard ChatGPT everywhere. It's been in the news for the past several months now. Multiple technology companies have released products integrating with them, and that's just the beginning, in my opinion. There's no doubt that AI is going to revolutionize every industry out there, but I'm going to specifically talk about how it's going to change the software engineering field. One of the most important things that AI is going to do is it's going to change how everyday software engineers code. There's already products in existence such as GitHub's Copilot or Amazon's Code Whisper, which allow basically for you to add code easily within seconds. All you have to do is give it an command of what you want it to perform, and it basically generates code in a matter of seconds. In particular, GitHub's Copilot is an incredibly powerful tool. It basically takes in input, and you just add a bunch of instructions what your function or program should do, and it just generates it in a matter of seconds. Meanwhile, Amazon has also released one of their version of GitHub's Copilot called Amazon Code Whispers. They basically have built it around their whole cloud infrastructure called AWS, and it's basically making engineers deploy code faster and easier using these tools. This allows engineers or developers to concentrate on the more business logic rather than trivial tasks such as writing quick functions to parse a particular string or something like that. Overall, the impact of AI in this field has been clear, and it's only going to get better as we move ahead. Apart from coding tools, AI can be used in a lot of different productivity tools such as generating documents, debugging code as well, figuring out what could be the problem with a particular line of code, uh, stuff like that, generating easy, trivial tasks that engineers maybe have to think and spend a lot of time solving. This can be all solved in a matter of seconds now. But now the question arises, is AI going to actually replace an actual human? Is AI going to actually replace a software engineer? Well, in my opinion, no, because the AI system is only smart as the question you ask it. It's important to realize that an AI system is only effective based on the type of question or how effectively you ask that question. So, the art of becoming a software engineer is going to rely in the coming years is going to depend on how you utilize these AI systems and how you actually ask these questions. The intellectual mindset of an engineer is important in this case because a well-rounded engineer is going to know what the problem is and how this question needs to be asked to this AI system. The AI system can act as an assistant to you. You can ask it questions to quickly get an answer for small trivial things that's going to take you some time to go over the internet and search for an answer for. So it's going to give you those answers, but you still need to know what to ask. Areas of specialty such as prompt engineering have risen a lot in the past few months. So what even is a prompt engineer? A prompt engineer is someone who knows how to design input for AI, which can be so that it can effectively give you the correct answer. It is the art of asking the right question so that you get the most effectively and correct answer from the AI system. In my opinion, in the coming years, prompt engineering is going to become one of the most basic tasks that a software engineer is expected to do. Modern day AI relies a lot on large language models. So, what even are these large language models? Large language models are AI models that use deep learning algorithms to generate human like text. So, imagine something like you give it a few words such as bird, sing, morning, and large language model is going to take that input and go through all the data that it has and generate a text that comes out to say birds sing in the morning. One of the examples of large language models is ChatGPT or GPT-3, which has become really famous. And the idea or why these have become more popular in modern days is the amount of data that these models have. AI has existed for years, but the advantage that why ChatGPT has become more prevalent in modern times is the amount of data that it goes through to get the answers. So, in closing, in my opinion, I don't think AI is going to replace software engineers anytime soon. It's more about how we take advantage of these systems and become better engineers. It's all about embracing change and how we can improve ourselves and our skills. So that's it, guys. Hopefully, you liked the video, and see you in the next one.